Hi everyone, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial of Tech Assist. In today's video, I will teach you how to create a Roblox account on your device. So first go to your web browser. So on top there's a search bar, type www.roblox.com. Next you land on a login page. So on the upward right hand side there is a login option. If you already have an account, tap on it. Now if you don't have an account, here is a sign up and start having fun. So first you need to enter your date of birth or birthday. Now you need to enter a username. So it clearly mentions that don't use your real name. So enter a username. Now create a password and now select your gender, tap on sign up, and as you can see that my account is created and here is my display name, and if you go to your upward right hand side there is also a display name. So this is how you can create a Roblox account on your device. And that's all for today's video. I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.